Hello everyone. If you are a beginner at coding and want to know the step-by-step guide to front-end web development, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll tell you the complete roadmap to becoming an outstanding front-end web developer. Before starting, let's know something about web developers. So basically there are three types of web developers. Front-end developers, those who are responsible for creating the look, feel and the interactive component of a website. Back-end web developers, those who are responsible for the complete functioning of the website. And full-stack web developers. These developers are expert at both the front end and back end. They can literally create an entire functioning website themselves. Well, in this video, we'll only focus on front end development. So the very first thing you have to learn is HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It describes the structure of a web page. The next step is to learn CSS. It stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It is used to set the layout of your web page with beautiful colors, fonts and much more. It describes how HTML elements should be displayed. After studying HTML and CSS, you should learn JavaScript. It is used to create an interactive web page for your users. Some common examples of JavaScript that you might use every day include the search box of Amazon or refreshing your Twitter feeds. Then, if you want to be an expert in front end, learn React or Angular. They both are good frameworks or say libraries for front end development. It is comparatively easier to maintain large-scale applications using React or Angular because they highly promote code reusability and code readability. At last, a basic skill every programmer must know is GitHub. It is an excellent resource to use for web development as it lets multiple people make separate changes to a web page at the same time. You can even save your codes here and review it later. So that's it for front-end development, but this is the key point. Start making projects. Learn by making projects. Making small projects while learning things is the key to excel in any field. You finish HTML and CSS, make a project. You learn JavaScript, make a project. That's all for now. Thank you everyone. Like, subscribe and share this video with your friends if you find it informative.